Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. I am sharing with you 8 Christmas morning recipes. Everything we're having for Christmas morning and for brunch parties around the holidays, I've got you covered. I love all of these for breakfast and they're just perfect for when you're gathering with your friends and family for a nice brunch. So I hope you love these 8 Christmas morning food ideas. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Tons of holiday recipes for you coming up. So let me show you these Christmas morning recipes. I'm going to make some cinnamon rolls, and I have the jumbo cinnamon rolls, and I'm going to make these into a shape of a Christmas tree. These are so fun to make around the holidays, so festive. My kids absolutely love these. We don't do a lot of cinnamon rolls because they're just so high in sugar, but it is a really fun treat around the holidays. So you just kind of you unwrap the cinnamon roll and then you just form it into a tree. They just look so great and these are so easy, which you know if you've been around my channel how much I love easy recipes. If you like easy recipes and you have not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Tons of easy recipes, and I love being so festive around Christmas time. So these are perfect for Christmas morning breakfast or a weekend before Christmas, a nice little brunch to have as well. So my kids really enjoy these, and anything shaped in a Christmas tree is amazing. So I baked these in the oven and now I am putting the icing on. So you just bake them per the instructions and you just put the icing on when they're nice and hot so it just melts really great. And then I'm going to decorate these a little bit also with some little green sprinkles and some stars as well. You can decorate them however you would like, but like I said, just super festive and a really fun. You can even make these with your kids and just really great for the kids around the holidays. We like to do special things and special food is just definitely one of them. So these are perfect for Christmas. I'm going to do a French toast casserole, and this is another really big hit. I do this for our family Christmas brunch that we have a few days before Christmas. So it's just really great. So I have my eggs, milk, heavy whipping cream. I will put the recipe for this in the description box with all of the ingredients. But I'm just going to mix all of this together. I have some syrup as well. So I'm going to mix these eggs, and it's just a delicious mixture with the eggs and the sugar, of course. I have brown sugar and I'm using almond flour for this. So I actually am using a keto bread as well. So I'm keeping this one keto friendly for some family members that we have that like to do keto, and around the holidays, you definitely don't want to change the diet too much because there's a lot of food going around. So if you can make something that's adapted to your diet, that's just even better. So I'm spraying my baking dish, any 9x11 baking dish, and I'm going to add in my cubed bread. I'm going to add in my egg mixture as well. You can make this the night before if you'd like. I just make it the morning of because it's just really easy to assemble, but you could make it the night before and put it in the refrigerator and then just pop it in the oven when you're ready in the morning. So I'm adding on butter on top, and then I will add on the almond flour, and I used a brown monk fruit sweetener for this one, but I'm adding that on top. This is such a huge hit, so good. So I'm going to I have a can of biscuits, graham biscuits. I have some cooked breakfast sausage. You can use mild or spicy even. I have 8 eggs I'm going to add to this. This is such a fun casserole, and you can change the ingredients if you like. You can do ham or bacon as the meat. You can add in some veggies if you'd like. Adding in a 1.5 cups of milk. I'm going to whisk these eggs and milk together to combine them. I will also add in my seasonings as well, and you can season to your taste. I'm going to do garlic powder, salt, and pepper, about a 1/2 teaspoon for each, but definitely measure your seasonings per your taste. And like I said, this is customizable, which is really wonderful. My family loves sausage for breakfast, so I made this one with sausage, but it's really great. These biscuits turn out so good just cooking with the eggs and the sausage. Definitely a huge hit. I'm adding a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I have my oven preheated right now to 350 degrees. And once again, this is another casserole that you can make ahead of time and cook it in the morning. So it comes out so good and so tasty. I have eggs again. I'm going to make some scrambled eggs, and they are going to go into some Hawaiian roll sliders once I have these all scrambled up. So I have 8 eggs, a cup of milk, I have salt and some pepper to taste, and like I mentioned before, add the salt and pepper to your liking. I'm going to whisk these up, and then once they're all mixed together, I will cook these just scrambled egg version on the stove. And this is, like I said, it's going to be a Hawaiian roll slider, a breakfast version. And these are so great. My family loves Hawaiian roll sliders. There's so many combinations you can make of this as well, so you can customize it to your liking. But a really great brunch. So this is just awesome brunch and breakfast food to have around the holidays. So I'm stirring my eggs and making them, they are nice and fluffy and just all nice and ready and cooked. I have my Hawaiian rolls sliced in half into my baking dish. I'm going to use some sliced ham. I love this sliced ham. I get it from Walmart. It's a thick sliced ham. You can use any kind of sliced ham you like, a deli sliced, thin ham, sandwich ham, or you can do any kind of meat really. You can do bacon or sausage as well. Adding on my scrambled eggs, and now I'm going to add on some cheddar cheese. This is so easy, and these are a huge, huge hit. So now I'm going to have some melted butter, and I'm going to add in some seasonings to the melted butter. I'm going to add in garlic, and then I also have some sesame seeds. These are fun to put on top of this breakfast sandwich. So I'm going to give this a mix. I'll put it on top and bake these in the oven for about 30 minutes, and they are so amazing and just a huge, huge hit. So I have crescent rolls, and I'm going to make a cream cheese Danish out of this crescent roll. These are really, really yummy. So I am spreading out my dough and pinching the seams together, and then I'm going to make it one big rectangle sheet. And now I'm going to roll it all together, and I'm going to slice it into small little slices. So they're nice and rolled up, and I'm going to just slice this whole roll of Pillsbury dough and line them on my baking mat lined cookie sheet. I have my oven preheating right now to 350 degrees, and these are so easy and so tasty. So I'm putting a little kind of hole in the center here with my fingers. I'm going to add in a dollop of cream cheese and a little dollop of I'm going to use raspberry preserves, but you can use your favorite kind of jelly. I just love the combination of cream cheese and jelly. It is just the best, and these are so easy and absolutely delicious. So I'm going to bake them in the oven. I'm going to make a little glaze. I have powdered sugar, 1/4 cup, and 1 tablespoon of milk. I'm just going to mix this little glaze together, and I'm going to pour this on top of the little Danishes. They are just bite-sized and perfect little Christmas brunch. Another kid-friendly option I have for Christmas morning is I have my baby cakes maker, and we just love making these, and it's just perfect around the holidays. But I have pancake mix in my little pancake dispenser. I'm putting in a little dollop, and now I have some cooked sausage, and I will add on some more a little bit of pancake mix on top. I'm going to close up my Cake Pop baby mix maker, and these will cook. They don't take very long, just a few minutes, and these turn out so great. You can just kind of pop them in your mouth and go. I really love using maple sausage for this because it gives it a sweetness. You could dip these in some syrup as well if you would like, but these are just a really great hit and perfect if you are serving kids at any of your Christmas brunches or Christmas morning. So really, really fun and festive little food for Christmas morning, and these are a huge hit with my family. They go really fast. I usually have to hold them back so I can make the whole batch at once, but really, really good. Another thing that my kids request on repeat all throughout the year is green muffins. So these muffins are really healthy. I've been making them for years, since my kids were little, and it is just loaded with spinach, and I just love that. Yeah, my kids would never eat spinach regularly, so they always are requesting these. I'm going to make them kind of a Christmas version. I mean, they are green, so they are festive, and I have some red cupcake liners I'll use to make them even more Christmassy. I'll put the recipe for this in the description box so you have all of the ingredients and the amounts. And like I said, I make these all the time, all year long. I'm just making them a little bit more Christmassy version for this time of year, with some red cupcake liners. And anything red and green, definitely perfect for Christmas morning and perfect for the holiday season. So I just love how easy this is. You just put it in the blender and you mix it and you pour into your liners. I use silicone muffin liners always. They're so easy. I don't love paper liners. They just stick a little bit. So these are so great. The cleanup is easy and they come out absolutely perfect. So I have my little heart-shaped liners and my circle ones. I'm going to bake these for 17 minutes at 350, and they are so, so good and so healthy as well. So kind of a little Grinch version of muffins. I'm going to do a fruit salad. We really don't have a function, a brunch of any sort without a big fruit salad. So this is just festive with the green grapes, and I got the strawberries and the raspberries. So we just always have a nice fruit salad. I hope that you love these Christmas morning breakfast ideas, Christmas brunch ideas. I had so much fun making these for you and sharing them with you. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Hope that you have a very Merry Christmas, a happy holiday season, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.